Oink.
But here comes T and Mo. And Mo's got an umbrella.
Ugh.
Oink, oink, T. Oink, oink, Mo.
Hog.
Now, what's first on the list?
T.
2 oranges. Good umbrellaing, T. OK, pineapples next. Brilliant, Mo. That's keeping your pineapples dry.
Ooh.
T loves shopping with Mo's umbrella. Well, that's everything.
Oink.
Oh, or is it? I think Mo's seen something they might need.
Whoa!
An umbrella for T. Oh, wow, T. With an umbrella like that, rainy days are going to be more fun than... Oh. Where's the rain gone? Mo's right, T. Maybe it will rain tomorrow. Oh, dear. An umbrella isn't any fun without the rain. Or is it? That's an interesting-looking puddle. Oh, T. I'm not sure your umbrella's meant to be used as a boat.